Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I love you look beautiful.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Say, and where are you
Yes,
from?
I am from India.
Very nice. So my name is Heather and I
Okay,
am from the UK.
okay, nice to meet you.
Yeah, and you. So, Shahiba, how was your
Yeah,
day
sorry,
today?
I cannot understand. Speak again.
Um, I- so what did you do today?
Okay. Uh, Actually, I read some subjects and banking.
Mm-hmm. You did banking.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Is
So,
banking your job?
sorry.
Is banking what you do for a job, or you had to
No,
do it
no.
for yourself?
Just I am studying.
Okay. So what
Yeah.
studying?
Uh, I am studying in 11th class,
Okay, in high school,
secondary school.
secondary school. Okay.
Yes.
What subjects did you do today? What's
Yes.
about your project?
Sorry?
Can you tell me about your project in art? Like,
Okay,
what are
okay.
you doing for
English,
art class?
English, Urdu, uh,
Mm-hmm.
political science, Arabic, Persian, IT.
Wow. So,
Yes.
lots of languages.
Languages.
Yeah,
Yes.
because you had Persian, Urdu, um,
Ye-
Arabic.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's very difficult. How do you remember everything?
Yeah, difficult, but I understand.
Yes, that's well done. You're working very hard.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Sahiba, can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah. Firstly, my name is Sahiba. I am from Jammu and I am from India. Uh, I'm studying in 11th class. My aim in life to become Islamic scholar and um, my hobby is painting and reading books. So it was all about
Mm-hmm.
to me. Yeah.
Okay, very nice. What what is a scholar?
Yeah.
What as an Islamic scholar?
Mm, I cannot explain in English. My English is weak.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you see
yeah. You ask me a small question, easy.
Okay, sorry. So live with?
Sorry?
live with?
Mm,
Or who?
India.
Can you tell me about your family?
Yeah. Family. I live in my family, yes.
Okay. So your mom,
Sorry?
so your mom
Yes,
and
yes. My mom,
your.
brother, and sisters.
Okay, that's very
Yeah.
nice.
Yes,
So
I have
yeah, you have?
uh, I have two elder brothers and one elder sister.
Okay, so you're a big
Yes.
family.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice.
What about you?
Um, I, I
Two sisters
and no brothers, but I got
Mm,
married 2 years ago, so now I live with my husband.
okay.
So I don't live with my family anymore.
Okay. So,
Do you?
yeah.
What is?
Sorry?
What is the city where you live?
Uh, Jammu and Kashmir. Yes.
Busy or how is Kashmir?
Sorry?
So what is your city? Is it busy? Is it relaxed?
Yes, let's.
Relaxed.
Yeah.
How many people?
Uh,
So or small?
big, big.
It's a big city.
Ah,
Wow. Always wanted to go and visit India.
okay.
Mm. For a holiday.
Yeah.
My brother-in-law, he is Indian, and
Oh,
he says that India is the most beautiful place in the whole world.
yeah.
Mm. Yeah. So I was with my sister. I want him to take as well.
Okay. So, oh, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to work in the garden and
Yeah.
I like to walking because I have a dog.
Okay.
About you?
Yeah. I like cooking and uh, walk
Hmm.
and reading books.
Okay.
Yes.
That's always busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. It's good. Okay, but Sahiba, this time
Yes.
has finished now.
Yeah.
It was so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, and please enjoy the rest of the week.
Okay.
Hmm. And yeah, keep practicing because you're gonna be so good.
Okay.